This is an interesting dice strategy submitted in the Discord by Ethan. Now, I like the look of this strategy. It's only 4 conditions, but some of the conditions add a layer of complexity to it. So I'll show you how it's set up. You can easily set it up just 4 conditions. Let me show you the first one. So make sure you have it in this order as well. So the first condition is every one loss, increase the bet amount percentage by 75%. Condition 2, every one win, reset the bet amount. Condition 3, every one loss, increase the win chance percentage by 10%. So every time that you lose, the probabilities of winning the next spin are going to increase by 10%, which is obviously going to mean the multiplier is going to get lower. Then we have the condition 4, which is every one win, reset the win chance. And then I've just added the condition 5 that I think is the most important one for anybody playing these original games. When your profit is greater than $100, equal to or greater than $100, stop the auto bet. Okay, that's simple. The multiplier is 10x. We are going to start off, we've got $1,000 in the bankroll. We're going to start off with 0.01 pence. So, sorry, $0.01. So it's 1 cent is our starting bet. If I get the turbo mode on, we're going to have a look at our wins and losses. Let's just get it cracking. So even with a 1 cent bet, we could start getting into trouble. 75% increase after every loss. But even with this 1 cent bet, I am expecting to make our $100 profit target reasonably fast. I mean, guys, look at this. We are up to $22 already. Now, I did have a play around with this before doing the video. You can go backwards a little bit if you hit a massive losing streak. So then obviously your win chance is going to get bigger and bigger, which means your multiplier gets smaller and smaller. And then your multiplier could get so small that you don't recover your losses on a win. So I have had it where you go down, 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 down. You eventually hit a winner, even though your bets are huge. You eventually hit a winner, but because that multiplier is not big enough, you don't fully recoup. I mean, we're at $67 in profit already. It's quite difficult to explain what the probabilities of winning and losing are, because obviously every time you lose, your probability of winning increases by 10%. We're going to go on a bit of a streak there. No, we recovered. I mean, look at this. Unless we go bust now, this has been super, super fast. And I quite like that complexity of increasing the win chance after a loss. So after every loser, you're more likely to win the next one. That played out pretty perfectly for us. $100. I didn't have my stopwatch on. I'm going to assume that was 2.5 minutes probably. $100, 2.5 minutes. I started with 1 cent bet as well. Let me know what you think. Ethan, thank you very much for that strategy. I really enjoyed that one. I'll see you in the next video.